people. So I thought I would quickly pop on here to do a quick demo on how to remove the eyelashes and the eyelash liner. A lot of questions about how to get the eyeliner off, and also how you should maintain and clean your lashes so they can keep adhering to that liner. I'll just give you a quick rundown what you need to do to keep the maintenance to keep using them. All right, here we go. So I hope you're all prepared to see the ugly jokes. So the first thing I'm gonna do is remove my lashes. Now, it has taken off the liner. They have been on all day, so they're definitely being very well weared. So micellar water, you can buy it from your chemist, your garden, I think Gardener stock it, but as long as it's micellar water, you're winning. But you want to get a nice pump on a pad. Ooh, she's a squirter. Alright, so micellar water's always worked with soaking the pad, you place on the eye. They always say you should hold it for a minimum of 5 seconds to allow the product to start to activate and break down the liner, and then you should be able to wipe away. A little bit left. Now this, guys, I use this on weddings every weekend to cleanse people's faces before that's all my mascara. Gross. I cleanse people's faces before part of my skin prep. Whoa. There's the ugly. Doesn't that look different? I think I want my lashes back on. I gotta stop saying Can someone out there tell me how to stop saying It's just getting ridiculous. So it is literally, people with really sensitive skin can still use it. There I go again. Shut up, Amelia. But again, wipe it, hold it, and wipe away. You don't want to go too harsh, guys. You don't want to lose your lashes. You just want to break the product down. And this doesn't sting my eyes. It feels like I'm just using water. It is really a beautiful product, but it also hydrates the skin at the same time. So winning on both ends. So that's how you remove your magnetic liner. Next, I'm going to show you how to clean your magnetic lashes, so the adhesion of the magnetic to the magnetic liner stays intact, and so they always look beautiful, black and freshly clean for your face without all your makeup built up in them. Because let's be honest, girls, when you look down, all you see is makeup on top of those lashes. So we don't want to see that. We want them to look like they're freshly out of the box, and this is how we're going to do it. Okay, so this is all you're going to need. Your lashes that you just took off, a cotton tip if you have one, something that's lint free. If you use something that has too much lint in it, it's going to stick to your lash. And again, your micellar water. So I'm going to grab a little bit of this. And what you want to do is just soak that tip. Excuse my painted fingernails. I've been painting my chicken run. Okay, so if you can see, there is a little bit of liner. When I said it came off at the front there it is on your magnets. So these magnets you need to keep clean. So what you want to do is get your cotton tip with your micellar water, or just a bit of water. Like, it doesn't actually have to be, but I just found it was easier. And you want to push it off the magnets. Now don't be too rough, because just remember the magnets are only glued on. So there you go. That's what we wanted to get off. the magnets are only glued on, guys, so if you're too rough, you're going to knock your magnets off. So if that's what we're going to do, we're just going to wipe sideways to all your magnets, even if you don't see them with anything on them, just do it so you know it's all done. See, just a little bit on there. And then, if you pop it down on your bench, and then just get your cotton tip, when you've got makeup, obviously there's no makeup on here at the moment, but when you start to get a bit of a makeup build up along that lash line from fallout from your eyeshadow, just literally hold it and brush down like this. And that'll give your magnetic lashes a nice clean. And that's all you need to do.